Hi to all, welcome to Health channel. You're watching health, environment, food safety, fire safety, sustainability solutions. Today we are discussing very informative and new ideological topic, that is that what is the FOSCOS, Foscas, and why Foscas, what is the uses for that, what exactly FOSCOS, Foscas. Okay, let us discuss for that. FOSCOS, Foscas means FSSA recently launched food safety compliance system. FOS, food safety, C, compliance as system, FOSCOS, Foscas. Since 2011, June 1st, 2011, FSSA licensing platform like food safety, food licensing and registration system is the soul of the licensing ecosystem with 100% India, all state and United States, and coverage 70 lakh licenses registration issued till date. So over 35 lakhs licenses registered actively and transactions on it. So FSSA launching is its cloud-based upgraded new food safety compliance online platform called food safety compliance system. So it is a completely online platform. So it is a cloud-based platform. So this food safety compliance system is website is that FOSCOS URL https://foscos.fssai.gov.in. So in this portal we have to replace the existing FLRS like food licensing.fssa.gov in there in existing website URL. Now it is changed for that foscas.fssa.gov.in. So in this Foscas, so we are shortcutting the call the Foscas like food safety compliance system is conceptualized to provide one point stop for all engagement of food business operators with the department for any regulatory compliance transaction. So if food safety compliance system has been integrated with the Foscas RIS mobile app, Fosca RIS, FOSCORIS mobile app, and will be integrate with the present IT platforms and FSSA such as a Infolnet, Fostack, FICS, FPVIS, etc. So sample management improvement notices, adjudications, audit management system, and all activities and modules will be enabled in Pageman in future. Technologies such as a GPS location tagging, picture capture, and RFID will be utilized in future to ensure transparent, accountable extension field services such as inspections and sampling. So in future it will be integrated with other platforms of Government of India such as a GST, PAN, MCA, etc. So to ensure the 360-degree profiling a validation a business. So a single regulatory platform will enable pan-India integrated response system to any food fraud, ensure an advanced risk-based data-driven regulatory approach. For this start, Foscas will be offering licensing, registration, inspection, and annual return modules. In this food safety compliance system has flows similar previous how the licensing and registration website is there, so that users have good convenience in migrating to Foscas. So this paradigm changes to the shift of methodology of licensing for manufacturers, which now shall be based on standardized product list. So this will be help in quicker grant of licenses and eliminate any errors. So the new approach, new sophisticated manner is only manufacturers of standardized food products. So for manufacturers, in case of non-specified food supplements, nutraceuticals, or proprietary food and substances added to food, the approach continues to be an FLRS. So all the kind of business such as a catering, transport, storage, etc. So licensing or registration shall be based on broad category approach as earlier. So along with Foscas, the module for filing online return shall also be available. The return for financial year 19 to 20 may also be filed online. So delayed returns due to postal delays need to preserve dispatch or receipt proofs and disputes regarding submission returns resulting in harassment of food business operators will be eliminated. Mandatory documents have been rationalized and many paper-based declarations have been replaced with tick-based declaration. The central theme is to enhance the ease of doing business for the food business operation and enhances user experience for users. So this food safety compliance system is shall be launched in the different pages. For the initial launch is the Foscas WF 1st June 2020. States of Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Goa, Delhi, Odisha, Manipur, Chandigarh, Pondicherry and Ladakh have been selected. So once the Foscas is launched in state, all license registrations pertaining to the state will be available in Foscas portal and the FLRS data shall be disabled for taking any action. So however, in initial days, users can be access their user licensing registration of application under processing of earlier FLRS website only, viewers for purpose only. So users will not be required to immediately do anything upon migration to Foscas about from verifying the correctness of detail in issued licensing registrations and applications under processing. However, all manufacturers holding valid FSSAI license shall be needed to modify their license to choose from the available list of standardized products before 31st December 2020. So steps to be upon migration of FLRS to FOSCOS. So and any questions and other user oriented material have been made available on this FLRS website homepage and Foscas both also available. So in states and have been given the directions for capacity building among the officers and food business operators to ensure smooth transition from FLRS to FOSCOS. Over the past 3 months, FSSA conducted several trainings and workshops on the key features of the system. Further, a training version of Foscas has been made available so that users of system get acquainted with the upcoming system. So the guidance is documented, a PPT, video and tutorials and user manuals have been made available under the user manual section on the home page of that website system. So all directions is issued for the states and a licensing help desk at state of headquarters level of addressing queries of users. Any officers need to handle this desk whole telephone number and email address to designate the stakeholder for that state. Any issues is with respect of Foscas in the grievance or holder any contact license number also available in FSS airplane. So this is the entirely recently food safety system. Clearly FSSA launched food safety compliance manner. It's very useful tool and it is a very virtual things. So nowadays is we are discussing for that artificial intelligence, we are discussing for that new innovative technologies, but this is a very important for this all users and easy to understand and easy to we have to gather. It's nowadays it will be very good technology for that manufacturers and traders and food business operators. It will be easy to understand and time taking less time taking process, easy to understand for this. So that is the reason the compliance system also easy to track and where is exactly how it is happens. So this is a entirely picture and structure of that FSSA food safety compliance system of FOSCOS, means food safety compliance system tracker. Okay guys, please use for this tool and share to others. Let us understand and implement in your food sectors. Thank you, thanks a lot.